Hey again, everybody, it's Mr. Sauer. I want to thank everybody that is my subscribers and thank anybody that's just tuning in. Today I'm going to be doing a little mail call action here. I got a unboxing to do from Xpert Nutrients. They had checked out some of my work I had done and they wanted to send me a little sample package. So I was going to open it up here for you today and show you what is in their sample package. Like I said, this came from across seas, so it has made a pretty good trip to get to me. And I guess they had the, there's their box. The plastic on it was there to, I guess, help keep the box and everything dry. Like I said, because it did come across seas. I want to thank everybody for the likes and subscriptions. I really do appreciate all the support. So I'm going to get this open here and show you what all was in their kit. Now do keep in mind they did look at stuff that I have previously done in order to get this, so I don't think anybody can just ask them. So let's see here. We got a couple charts here that have the different amounts for each one of the products they have here. I'm not going to get into reading them. I'm just going to show you what is all here real quick. Alright, so we got some CalMag. We got a whole bunch of little bottles here. Decompost plant residue enzymes. Got a bloom booster. Silica force. Gonna go through them all here real quick. A master bloom. It looks like I got a sample of their whole line. Here's a master growth accelerator, and got another one of those. So we got two of those. Another master bloom. Sugar shot. Master root. And sticky fingers. Then let's see what we got here. And in the corner of the bag, we actually have a cloth carrying bag. That's pretty cool looking. See, that's their website and stuff on the bottom there. Designs on both sides. Again, I want to thank Xpert Nutrients. Like I said, I'm going to be using some of this on one of my next projects. So if you are above age, feel free to subscribe to my channel. And if it's something you're interested in, what you see, then feel free to stay part of my channel. There's a lot of it on there. But like I said, I'm trying to keep this video here age appropriate because, like I said, nutritions can be used on any kind of plants, any kind of grows, whatever. Just the case I use it for is for a certain instance. But again, I want to thank everybody for the likes, the subscriptions, and anybody that's any one of my subscribers or followers out there or is new to becoming a subscriber or follower. I appreciate all your support. But yeah, this is Xpert Nutrients, and I'm going to actually do a little more research on this, and then when I start up one of my next projects, I'm going to be using this this line here, and I should be able to probably get several uses out of it, and so there'll be some more to come in the future. Of course, it will be several months down the road before I do have some final results from it, but again, that's why you can subscribe, and you can check it out later when it gets there, or you can go do your own research on them all by yourself. So again, thanks everybody, happy holidays, and I'll catch you on the next video.